guys, this is Saturday morning. I decided to start today. I did someone's hair yesterday, so I'm about to get ready and go out. I have another hair to make, and from there any other thing that has to happen today will happen. Okay, so I decided to start this because it's been a while since I vlogged, but I decided to do this, so I'll carry you guys along with me.
I never thought I'd feel like this. Yeah. I never thought I'd feel like this. Ooh, never thought I could. Yeah. I never thought I'd be on my shit, be on mine. I'm spending my time in love like I should. No more struggling, I'm all good. Yeah. I never thought I'd feel like this.
Let's go and try now.
Go and try now.
Let's go there.
I never thought I'd feel like this. Feel like this. Feel like this. Feel like this. I never thought I'd feel like this.
Do an unboxing video.
I knew that you said that to me. I was just waiting for mom to say she wears church.
Hey, do I listen to chat tomorrow?
No, open my book.
She's still gonna say it sex.
Mom, sit down.
See? It's how to unzip it. Okay. This is how to unzip somebody's clothes.
How to unzip your debate.
Damn. It looks like Abraham Lincoln.
Yeah. See this skyscraper?
Yeah.
Why did you
He
forget?
forgot something.
I accused this lady.
Hey!
Feel like feel like this. Feel like I never thought I'd
Says you're looking homeless. Welcome to your home.
Welcome to my house.
Your room is actually nice.
be on my shit, be on my
Yeah. It's not really like a full something, just. What do you think? Is it nice?
Come and check for yourself. Okay, so first question. This question I want to ask now is, I think we've talked about it before, but let's just make it like the topic broader, like Nigerians' way of parenting. What parenting is like in Nigeria. So you can start.
Like, is there a specific?
No, like how? Okay, let me say how your parents trained you. Like, what was
My own
your own
experience.
hair?
It was actually double. Like, it's a two-way something. My dad is free. My mom is just there. Like, her own is like just do things the godly way.
Yeah.
Every other thing you're on your own, that kind of thing. So she's always like, don't do this thing. She'll just sit you down and be like, this thing you're doing is not good. That it will lead you straight to hell. It will lead you straight to something like that. And she's cool as well, you get. But my dad, he tries to see things from both ways, but he'd also tell you that okay, God's way is best, though. You get. So I'm like, okay, that is this thing. I'm not so mutual with my parents. Like I don't talk about all these boy issues, and then I'm on my own in that aspect. But every other thing, like if I want to take permission for something, like I want to go for sleepover or something, I just speak to my dad.
Exactly, I think that's that chill.
Straight up. Like I'll just go. Then I'm going for sleepover. He'll be like, which day? Okay, no problem. You can go.
Exactly.
Then later on, like I told my mom on that day I'm leaving. On that day, because once I tell her the day before, man,
She said no. She find excuse.
exactly, and she start spoiling my dad's mind, like on why I should not go. Although I feel like I don't think about it because everyone likes expressway, you know, you get. But then I'm also thinking about myself as a mother, like when I actually become a mother, I should say my children will do me this kind of thing. But either way, it's just that hand you use in training your kids. Yeah. So yeah, that was the way I grew up.
Me, I didn't grow up with my mom, so it was a little bit like hard for me. I grew up with my grandma, and my grandma, you know, all these old people now, they train you with like olden days hand. My grandma, she's that kind of person that if she wants to correct you, she corrects you everywhere. And her correction is not like with mouth, it's with kin. You know, all these Nigerian parents, they don't. I don't think Nigerian parents sit you down and want to talk to you like, oh no, any small thing is kin. Just do one wrong, they are bringing kin.
That's the escape route.
My grandma used to flog me. There's a day my grandma flogged me in our compound, and our compound, like, we are the tenants.
Yeah.
Then, sorry, we are the landlord,
Okay.
and then we had tenants. My grandma chased me throughout the compound with kin. Like, people were like begging her. This woman refused. So she doesn't care about embarrassment and all of that.
What did you do?
I can't remember. I've done so many things.
But then that's something really important. So, yeah.
Because I remember there was a day that I because she always warns us that don't enter the bathroom with your soapers. Don't enter the bathtub rather with your soapers. But I liked it, even to today I still do it. So that day I entered the bathtub with my soapers, and she was just waiting for me. I finished rubbing soap. She was waiting for me. This one entered the bathroom and flogged me. And the thing is that I don't even know where the cane is coming from. So I was just like, guys, that day was really hard. So yeah. But like I said, I feel like our generation will be better.
Yeah.
Better parents.
I said so actually.
Yeah.
I feel like the thing is, I'm scared and also happy for the next set of kids because I'm happy because you get a better life. You have parents who don't understand you better because you guys are almost in the same age grade. But then the bad side is that shunning of children. I feel like our generation, they actually took it easy on us at some point because I have a last born. The way they trained me is not the way they trained my last born. That one, they don't reduce hand. But then like I'm like us now, okay, we've almost forgotten how to discipline children. How are we going to do this thing? I told you one day, like somebody was telling me the punishments they gave him when he was young. I was like, it's like one that will bring book and pen so that I'll write it down. So that I'll write it down because we need to discipline.
We might spoil our kids.
That's the thing now.
How bright filming. So it's still filming. You probably left it like that.
No, I actually ended it. So shall let's talk about something just random gist from your list. I mean, what's the best I don't know. Are you joking with me right now? Like
you know what? I was hoping that obviously when we're talking, like we flowing, we went to another one. I didn't know you were thinking.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Just settling in. Everybody's just looking for a way to work out their own self.
Is it straight? I think that place my hair cut actually, so.
Couple, hi, hello.